Welcome to Catherine the Paint. Today it is raining outside, so I hope you can hear me. Today we are going to do an infinity pour. Somebody requested me to do an infinity pour out of the Arteza pre-mixed paints. So on the left-hand side, we have coral, vermilion red, neon yellow, and neon orange, and a little bit of white. And then on the right-hand side, we have ultramarine blue, neon purple, phthalo green, and sea green, and even more white. So here are our cups, and I am not very good at this, so because I am not coordinated, but y'all can laugh at me and have fun with it, so that's what we're gonna do. So the infinity pour, in case you don't know, was made by Mixed Media Girl, and you take two separate cups with very different colors in them and then kind of make a crossover pattern. So just gonna try to do this. Now my dog starts barking. I am just not very coordinated, but there we go. And it's already going over the edge. Wow, that is vibrant though. I got a couple of neon colors in there. So I'm hoping that it turns out. So let's just keep playing with it. Alright, let's just go for it. It's a lot of orange. Oh wow, okay. Now we got some of that dark colors going through. Let's see. One more corner to go. Okay. Wow. I like some of the areas better than other parts of the areas. But you never know how it's gonna dry, so interesting. There's a lot of that, what is that, coral? The coral color? A little more than I want, but that's okay. We'll see how it plays out. Love that area, of course. And oh, and this with the red, the orange, the white, and the yellow. I love that right there. And the purples here. All right, let me give it a few minutes to sit, and I will bring you in for a close-up, and we will see how it looks. Thanks for watching. I'll be right back. Okay, here are the almost completely dried results. So in the middle, you can see it's a little bit wet still, but here is the lower right corner, the upper right corner. You can see the contrast between the dark side and the red and the blue sides. So let's see, there's the upper left corner, the lower left corner. Yes, there's a lot of contrast. It's kind of cool. It really makes depth to have the orange and the yellow weaving in and out of the blues and the purples. And look at that, isn't that pretty? So there it is, the infinity pour with Arteza pre-mixed paints. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Be inspired.